Hello to everyone. This is Shantan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Dundigal, Hyderabad. Today topic is the method of variation of parameter. We will go to discuss that what is the working rule under the method of variation of parameter, and when we are going to finding that by using this the method. The method of variation of parameter is to finding the particular integration. It is applicable whenever the given differential equation is a second and higher order differential equation. Here, the working rule of the second order differential equation is it is considered a differential second order differential equation is d square by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y is equal to that is f of x. Sometimes the given differential equation is not in the standard form. Next, we need to find out what is the standard form of the second order differential equation. After reducing to standard form of the second order differential equation, we need to find out what is the complementary function. Then with the help of the complementary function, we need to assume that is a complementary function is equal to c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. Here, that y1 comma y2 are the functions of x only. That depend upon the cases like case 1 and case 2 and case 3, we need to assume that is a c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. Where here c1 comma c2 are the constant terms. And also, we need to find out what is the Wronskian value. The Wronskian value is nothing but to find the determinant of the y1 comma y2. That means we need to find out with the help of the determinant of y1, y2 and y1 dash and y2 dash, where here w is called the Wronskian value of that is y1 and y2. And after that, we need to find out what is a particular integration that is with the help of the u1 and u2. And here u1 value is nothing but by using the integration of that is a y2 into f of x by that is a w into dx, and ud is nothing but integration of with the help of that y1 into f of x by that is a w into dx, where here w is the value of that is a Wronskian value. After that, finding that u1 and u2, then find the value of the particular integration. The particular integration is with the help of the u1 into y1 plus u2 into y2. And after getting the particular integration also, we need to assume the complete solution of the given differential equation is equal to, you consider addition of the complementary function including the particular integration. That is nothing but y is equal to the cf plus pa is the value. And method is used to commonly the second order differential equation. It can be extended to solve the differential equation of the higher order also. Now we'll go to discuss one of the problems based upon this the method, that is solve the differential equation that is a d square y by dx square plus y is equal to that is a cosecant x using the method of variation of parameter. According to this method of variation of parameter, first we need to find out what is a complementary function. The complementary function is that is ycf. We need to reduce it to what is the operator form, and after that we need to find out what is the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is obtained by replacement of d is equal to that is a m. Therefore, here the d is equal to m is nothing but that is a m square plus 1 is equal to 0. Here the order of the given differential equation is a 2. By solving here, you obtain the two roots. Therefore, here the roots are the given differential equation is a plus or minus psi. That is nothing but you treat it as a complex roots, that is a 0 plus or minus psi into 1. It is in the form of alpha plus or minus psi into beta. By using the case 3, whenever the roots are the complex roots, you need to write, consider e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 into sin beta x. Here alpha is the real part is 0 and the imaginary part beta is equal to 1. With the help of the complementary function here, you consider that c1 into cos x plus c2 into sin x is a value. Here, you comparison with the help of the c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2, whereas here y1 is equal to cos x and y2 is equal to that is sin x. You assume, and we need to find out what is the Wronskian value. That is with the help of that finding that 2 by 2 determinant. Here y1, y2 is nothing but cos x sin x. That y1 dash is nothing but cos x is equal to that is a minus sin x. y2 dash is equal to that is a sin x is equal to that is a cos x. By using the 2 by 2 determinant, you obtain that clearly the value of your Wronskian is a 1 only. Now we need to find out what is the u1 and u2 with the help of the Wronskian by using the formula of u1 is equal to minus integration of y2 into, that is f of x by w into dx. Here, then minus into, that is the negative of the integration of that y2 is nothing but, that is sin x into f of x. That means the given differential equation comparison, that f of x is a cosecant x. By denominator, it is a Wronskian value is a 1. Therefore, with the help of the negative of integration, that is a sin x into cosecant x into dx is equal to, that sin x into cosecant x both are the cancel. The remaining part it is a minus into integration of 1 into dx. The value here u1 is equal to minus x after that integration. Now we need to find out what is a u2, that is integration of, that is y1 into f of x by w into dx. Here y1 is the value of cos x, and again that f of x is the value of cosecant x. The denominator, whereas the w is equal to, that is a Wronskian value, it is a 1 only. Therefore, by using the integration part, here after that simplification, you obtain that integration of cot x into dx is the value of log modulus of, that is sin x is the value. Therefore, here u1 is equal to minus x and u2 is equal to, that is a log of sin x. Therefore, we need to assume that particular integration is equal to, with the help of the method of variation of parameter, that is u1 into y1 plus u2 into y2 is equal to, there is a minus x into, that is cos x plus sin x into log modulus of, that is a sin x. Now we need to write that complete solution of the given differential equation is the complementary function, the addition of the particular integration is equal to, that is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus x into cos x plus sin x into log modulus of, that is sin x. Now we'll go to discuss one other. It is a solve the differential equation, that is a d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to, that is a e power x by using, particularly it is a method of variation of parameter. And here also we need to find out by using the auxiliary equation what about the roots of the given differential equation. Therefore, the auxiliary equation is nothing but replacement of d is equal to m. By solving here the auxiliary equation, the order of the given differential equation is a 2. Therefore, that is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0 is also, you obtain that two roots, that is m is equal to, that is 1 comma 1. Because of here, you need to assume that is a m minus 1 of whole square is equal to 0. Therefore, while we are going to observing here, the roots of the given differential equation is repeated by using the type 2, that is a case 2. You need to assume that is a c1 plus c2x into e power x. Therefore, c1 into e power x plus c2x into e power x is the other root. When we are comparison, this is with the help of c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. Here, y1 is equal to e power x and y2 is equal to x into e power x. Now we need to find out what is the Wronskian value. The Wronskian value is nothing but with the help of the 2 by 2 determinant, that is y1, y2, and the second row is y1 dash and y2 dash. With the help of that y1 is equal to e power x and y2 is equal to x into e power x. Therefore, the determinant of the first row it is e power x into e power x. The second row is e power x into x into e power x plus e power x is a value. That is by using the x into e power x is the determinant. Therefore, it is by using the 2 by 2 determinant, that is AD minus BC. After that simplification, you obtain the value is equal to e power 2x. Now we need to find out what is the u1 and u2 with the help of that u1 is equal to the negative of integration y2 into f of x by w into dx. Here, the negative of that y2 is nothing but we know that is x into e power x, and f of x is a given function is a particular value, that is a e power x, the denominator e power 2x into dx, and here the numerator e power x into e power x is the e power 2x and the denominator is also e power 2x. Therefore, it will be both are the cancel. Then the remaining part is finally the negative of integration x into dx. Therefore, the negative of integration x into dx is nothing but it is a minus x square by 2 is a clear the integration part. Now we need to find out what is the u2. That u2 is nothing but with the help of integration of y1 into f of x by w into dx is equal to, that is integration of, that is in e power x into, that f of x is once again that e power x by e power 2x into dx. Therefore, the value of here numerator e power x into e power x is the e power 2x and the denominator is also e power 2x. Both are, it will be cancelled. That finally it is the integration of 1 into dx is the value of u2 is equal to x only. And now here with the help of that u1 and u2, then we need to consider in the form of the particular integration u1 into y1 plus u2 into y2. Here that is minus x square by 2 into e power x plus x square into e power x is the value. And here also after that take out common e power x, the remaining part is a x square minus x square by 2 is nothing but x square by 2. Therefore, the particular integration is nothing but x square by 2 into e power x is the value. Therefore, the complete solution of this given differential equation is the addition of the complementary function as well as that particular integration. Therefore, the complete solution is here c1 plus c2x into e power x plus x square by 2 into e power x is the value. Now, we'll go to discuss one other, that is a d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to x into sine 2x by using the method of variation of parameter. And it is also given that differential equation is a standard form, it is satisfied. And here we need to find out what is the auxiliary equation, that is replacement of d is equal to m. Therefore, m square plus 4 is equal to 0. And here also the given differential equation is the second order. While we are going to solving the second order differential equation, you obtain here the roots of this equation is equal to m is equal to plus or minus I. And here also we need to assume that is in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta, that is nothing but alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to, that is a 2 value. With the help of the complex roots, when we are going to following with the help of the complex roots here, the complex formula is equal to c1 into cos 2x plus c2 into sin 2x. Therefore, we need to assume with the help of the c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. Therefore, y1 is equal to cos 2x and y2 is equal to sin 2x. Now we need to find out the Wronskian value, that is with the help of the 2 by 2 determinant. Therefore, y1, y2 and y1 dash and y2 dash. Therefore, y1 is the value of cos 2x and y2 value is here sin 2x. By using here y1 and y2, when we are going to calculate y1 dash and y2 dash, it is clearly there is a minus 2 sin x, 2 into cos 2x. After finding that AD minus BC with the help of the 2 by 2 determinant, the value is equal to clearly value is 2. Now we need to find out with the help of this Wronskian value to find the u1 and u2. That u1 is calculated with the help of the formula, the negative of integration y2 into f of x by, that is a w into dx. Therefore, the negative of that 1 by 2 into that y2 is nothing but the value of here, that is a sin 2x, and f of x is nothing but x into sin 2x. Therefore, the numerator is changed to x into sin square 2x by 2 into is a w, that is a Wronskian value into dx. Again, that sin square 2x we need to change it to like 1 minus cos 2x by 2 by using, and after that integration by parts, then you obtain that clearly minus x square by 8 plus x into sin 4x by 16 plus cos 4x by, that is 64 is the value. Now we need to find out what is the u2, that is with the help of the integration of y1 into f of x by, that is a w. Therefore, here y1 is equal to, that is x into sin 2x, and f of x is also nothing but that is a x into cos 2x. With the help of that w, that is a Wronskian value. After that replacement of all those values here, the equation is changed to like 1 by 4 into integration of x into sin 4x is a value. Once again, we need to follow with the help of the integration by parts by using the highlight or Lie8. Here, give the priority like algebra is it is x and the trigonometric is sin 4x. Therefore, integrating by parts formula, when we are going to follow here, that is 1 by 4 into x into, that is a minus 4 cos 4x by 4, minus 1 into minus of that minus sin 4x by 16. Here after the simplification here, you obtain that clearly, that is a minus x into cos 4x by 16 plus sin 4x by that is a 16. Now we need to write in the form of the particular integration, that is u1 into y1 plus u2 into y2. Therefore here that u1 is clearly, we know that is a cos 2x, y1 is also we already completed, minus x square by 8 plus x into sin 4x by 16 plus cos 4x by that is a 64 plus u2 also we know that is a sin 2x into y2 is also minus x into cos 4x by 16 plus sin 4x by that is a 64. After the simplification of here u1 y1 plus u2 y2, here the solution of this equation is a particular integration is a minus x square by 8 into cos 2x, that is x by 16 into that is sin 2x plus 1 by 64 into cos 2x minus x square by 8 into cos 2x is the value. Therefore, the complete solution of this given differential equation is the complementary function, the addition of the particular integration together, it is a c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus x by 16 into sin 2x plus 1 by 64 into cos 2x minus x square by 8 into that is a cos 2x. Now, we'll go to discuss that is a different type of the problem. It is given that y1 is equal to x, y2 is equal to 1 by x are two linearly independent solutions of the differential equation. Hence, we need to find out that is x square into d square by dx square plus x into dy by dx minus y is equal to x, whereas that x is not equal to 0, then find the particular integration and also the general solution by using the method of variation of parameter. When we are going to observing here, the given differential equation is a not standard form of the second order. We need to reduce it to standard form of the second order by dividing on both sides, that is x square or x. Therefore, the given differential equation is reduced to like d square by dx square plus 1 by x into dy by dx minus 1 by x square into y is equal to that is a 1 by x. But here, it is not possible to solve that given differential equation. Why? Because here the coefficient of the dy by dx and y, it is a variable. But in this problem, it is given that already y1 comma y2 are the given, that is a two linearly independent. That means you assume that y1 is equal to that is x and y2 is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, directly we assume that the complementary function is equal to c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. Therefore, that you need to consider c1 into x plus c2 into 1 by x. Now we need to find out what is the Wronskian value. Therefore, the Wronskian value is nothing but that is a determinant of y1, y2 and y1 dash, y2 dash. As we know that y1 is equal to that is a x and y2 is equal to 1 by x. And with the help of this y1 and y2, that y1 dash is nothing but 1 and y2 dash is nothing but that is a minus 1 by x square, because of y1 is equal to x, y2 is equal to 1 by x. Again, we need to find out what is the determinant of this 2 by 2. Therefore, we need to find out what is AD minus BC. Therefore, that AD minus BC is nothing but clearly you obtain the value of the Wronskian, it is equal to minus 2 by x. Now we need to find out what is the u1 and u2 with the help of the formula of u1 is equal to the negative of integration y2 into f of x by w into dx. Therefore, integration of by replacement of y2 and f of x and including the Wronskian value, you obtain that clearly after that simplification 1 by t into integration of 1 by x into dx. Therefore, 1 by t into integration of 1 by x, the value of here that is log x. Therefore, the u1 value is nothing but that is 1 by 2 into log x. Now we need to find out what is the u2, that we need to follow with the help of the formula integration of y1 into f of x by that is a w into dx. Therefore, here as we know that what is the value of y1, f of x and Wronskian value, and by using all these three values that is a y1, f of x and w that is a Wronskian, After the simplification, you obtain that clearly that is the integration of minus x square is a value by 2. By using the integration part, you obtain that clearly it is a value is a u2 is equal to minus x square by 4. Therefore, the particular integration here we need to assume that is u1 by 1 plus u2 into by 2. Therefore, together it is u1 by 1 and u2 by 2. The values are totally x by 2 into log x minus x by 4 is the value. Therefore, the complete solution of this given differential equation y is equal to the complementary function and including the addition of the particular integration. Therefore, here y is equal to the solution is a c1x plus c2 by x plus x by 2 into log x minus x by 4 is the final solution. Now we'll go to discuss this method of variation parameter by using other procedure, that means other terminology. That is a variation of parameter, the working rule. First of all, we need to reduce it to the given differential equation into standard form, that is a d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y is equal to that is r, where p comma q are functions of x or constants and r is a function of x or constants. Second step, we need to find out what is a complementary function. And under the type 3, that is the third step, we need to find out what is a particular integration, that is with the help of the assume a into u plus b into v is a value, where the value of a is nothing but the negative of vr by that is uv dash minus v dash into dx, and b is also the value of integration, that is ur by that is uv dash minus v dash into dx. When we are observing that previous method, that is a previous concept here, that uv dash minus v dash is nothing but that is a Wronskian indirectly, and it is also here the Wronskian is nothing but to find out what is the uv dash minus v dash. But we are going to follow with the help of only the terminology. And final step, that is the fourth step, after finding that particular integration, we need to write that is a general solution of this given differential equation is the addition of the complementary function and also together the particular integration. Here also, apply the method of variation of parameter to solve, that is a d square y by dx square is equal to cosecant x. And here also, first we need to find out what is the auxiliary equation, that is by replacement of d is equal to m. Therefore, that is nothing but m square plus 1 is equal to 0. While we are going to solving here, that m is equal to the plus or minus I. Therefore, these roots are also in the form of the complex 0 plus or minus I into 1. Therefore, alpha plus or minus I into beta. Therefore, the real part is alpha is equal to that is 0. And again, the imaginary part that beta is equal to, you assume that 1. With the help of the complex roots formula, we need to assume that is a complete formula is equal to, or complete complementary function is equal to c1 into cos x plus c2 into sin x. And yp is equal to that is we need to find out what is au plus bv, that is nothing but a into cos x plus b into sin x. We need to find out what is the value of uv dash minus v dash, because of it is required the denominator of the value. Therefore, by using u comma v, when you are find out that uv dash minus v dash, here clearly you obtain that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to the value is 1. That is nothing but you assume that is a Wronskian. Therefore, it is a and b are given that by using the formulas, the method of variation of parameter, that a is equal to the negative of integration vr by that is uv dash minus v dash into dx is equal to, by using all these values, that is v value, r value and u v dash minus v dash. Therefore, the negative of integration, by replacement of all these values, you obtain that integration of that is a negative into dx. Therefore, that integration of dx is nothing but 1 is equal to that is x only, integration of 1 is equal to, therefore minus x is the value a. Now we need to find out what is the b value with the help of that integration of that ur by uv dash minus v dash into dx. Now also we are going to replace the values are u, r, uv dash and v dash. Therefore, the integration part is a cot x into dx. Therefore, integration of cot x into dx is nothing but log modulus of sin x is the value. Therefore, the particular integration by using that AU plus BV, by using that here, you obtain that minus x into cos x plus x sin x minus that is a minus sin x into log x. Therefore, the general solution of this given differential equation is a complementary function together the addition of particular integration. Therefore, c1 into cos x plus c2 sin x plus sin x into that is a log of that is a sin x is a value. Now we need to find out d square plus a square into y is equal that is a tan x by using the method of variation of parameter. And here also first we need to find out what is the auxiliary equation of the given differential equation. The replacement of d is equal to m. Therefore, m square plus a square is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to plus or minus a. It is also the complex values comparison with the help of that alpha plus or minus I beta. By using the case 3, we need to assume that is a YCF is equal to that is a C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Now you comparison with the help of that u is equal to it is a C1 into u is equal to that is a cos x and v is equal to that is a C2v. Therefore, v is equal to clearly it is a sin x. Now we need to find out what is a uv dash minus v dash, the value of that is a Wronskian. Therefore, with the help of that u is equal to cos x and u dash is equal to minus a into sin x and v is equal to that is a sin x. Therefore, v dash is also that a into cos x. Therefore, the w is equal to uv dash minus v dash is nothing but by using the derivatives and by using the replacement of this equation, you obtain the w is equal to the value is a value only. Now, we need to check out that one other problem that is with the help of the a is equal to. Therefore, finally, after getting the Wronskian, we need to replace in that a is equal to that is negative of integration Vr by uv dash minus v dash that is Wronskian. By using integration of Vr value and also the w value, when we are going to replace here, that a is equal to the negative of that is a sin ax into that is a tan ax by a into dx. And here that minus 1 by is a constant, you need to take out common. The numerator is a sin x into tan x. While we are going to solving here, the tan x we need to assume that is a sin x by cos x. And after consider that sin x by cos x, the numerator is a sin x into sin x is a sin square into x. The denominator is a cos x into dx is equal to minus 1 by a. Here we need to solve in the integration part. Now we need to change it like the numerator sin square a is nothing but 1 minus cos square x. And after that you need to divide individually the parts. 1 by cos x minus cos square by a is cos a is equal to that is a cos x. Therefore, the first part it is a secant x, the second part is a cos x. Therefore, minus 1 by a into the integration of secant x is nothing but 1 by a into that is a log modulus of secant x plus tan x is a value. And second part integration of cos x is a that is a 1 by a into that is a sin x is a value. And in this totally denominator you need to take out common, a is outside. Therefore, already it is a minus 1 by a is multiplied. Therefore, minus 1 by a square into the log modulus of that is a secant x plus tan x minus that is a sin x is a value. This is the value of a only. Now, similarly, we need to find out what is the value of b by using that integration of ur by or uq by that is a w. Therefore, u is equal to that is a cos x and q is nothing but tan x. But the w is a Wronskian value as we know that. Therefore, by replacement of u, q and also a, therefore the equation is reduced to cos x into tan x by a into dx. And here once again we need to change it to like tan x is equal to that is sin x by cos x. Therefore, the cos x both are the cancel. The remaining part is the 1 by a into that is a sin x into dx integration. Therefore, integration of sin x is a minus 1 by a into that is a cos x. Therefore, already it is existed 1 by a. Therefore, the b is equal to minus 1 by a square into that is a cos x. Now, we need to write that particular integration with the help of that a and cos x, b and sin x together, that is a cos x plus b into sin x. Therefore, yb is equal to minus 1 by a square into that log modulus of secant x plus tan x minus sin x into cos x plus minus 1 by a square into cos x into that is sin x. Now we need to write that is a complete solution of the given differential equation of y of x is equal to, therefore, c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus 1 by a square into cos x into the log modulus of it is a secant x plus tan x is a final solution. Now we need to discuss one other, that is to solve the d square minus 2d plus 2 into y is equal, that is e power x into tan x, by using here also that is a variation of parameter. Therefore, when we are going to observing this equation, clearly it is satisfied the second order differential equation standard form. Now we need to find out what is the auxiliary equation by using the d is equal, that is m only. Therefore, m square minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. And it is also second order differential equation. While we are going to solving the second order, that you obtain that m is equal to 1 plus or minus I. Therefore, it is also clearly in the form of that is alpha plus or minus I beta by using the complex roots, the different category, that is the third type. Therefore, complementary function yc is equal to, with the help of that e power x into that is a c1 cos x plus c2 into sin x. Therefore, that is a c1 into e power x into cos x plus c2 into e power x into sin x. Therefore, u is equal to, that is a clearly e power x into cos x and v is equal to e power x into sin x. Now we need to find out what is the u into v dash minus v into u dash. That is the meaning of the Wronskian only. Therefore, while we are going to doing that differentiation with respect to x on u and v, the final equation is a u into d v dash minus v into u dash is nothing but e power 2x is the simplification. Now we need to find out that is the a value with the help of the integration of the negative of vr by uv dash minus v dash. As we know that is a v value and r value u v dash minus v dash also. Therefore, by using all these values, the equation is a is equal to, that is a log modulus of secant x plus tan x minus sin x is the value. That is by using the integration part. Now we need to find out what is the b value, the integration of ur by uv dash minus v dash into dx. Once again, when we are going to replacing here u comma r comma and uv dash minus v dash, that is Wronskian value. After replacement of all these three values in this b equation, therefore you obtain that integration of sin x into dx. Therefore, integration of sin x is nothing but it is a minus cos x. Therefore, by using here a value and b value, the general solution is nothing but y is equal to, that is a complementary function plus the particular integration with the help of c1u plus c2v plus au plus bv is the value. Therefore, the complete general solution is nothing but it is a c1 into e power x into cos x plus c2 into e power x into sin x plus log modulus of secant x plus tan x minus 2 into sin x whole into that is a e power x into that is a cos x. Now we need to discuss one other, solve the differential equation, that is a d square plus 4 into y is equal, that is secant x 2x by using here also the method of variation of parameter. Therefore, by using the complementary function, we need to find out first what about the roots of the given differential equation. Therefore, the complementary function we need to follow with the help of the auxiliary equation. Therefore, the auxiliary equation is also the replacement of d is equal to m only. Therefore, m square plus 4 is equal to 0. And here also by solving that equation by using the synthetic division or factorization method, then we obtain that m is equal to plus or minus 2i. Therefore, it is also 0 plus or minus I into that is a 2. It is also nothing but in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta. The real part alpha is equal to 0. The imaginary part beta is equal to that is a 2. Therefore, with the help of the third case, you need to write that is a complementary function that is equal to c1 into cos 2x plus c2 into that is a sin 2x value. Now we need to find out what is that particular integration, that is with the help of the yb is equal to au plus bv, whereas a into u is equal to cos 2x plus b into v is equal to that is sin 2x. Now we need to find out what is the value of uv dash minus v dash with the help of that u and also v provided here. U is equal to cos 2x and v is equal to sin 2x. Therefore, u dash is equal to that is a minus 2x and v dash is equal to that is a 2 cos 2x. By doing here that uv dash minus v dash with the help of the u, v, u dash, v dash, therefore the value of uv dash minus v dash is also that is a 2 only. Now we need to follow what is the a value and b value with the help of the formula minus integration of vr by uv dash minus v dash. Here also the final solution is a 1 by 2 into that is log modulus of cos 2x by 2, that is nothing but a is equal to, after that simplification you obtain that log modulus of cos 2x by that is a 4 by using the integration procedure. Now we need to find out what is the b value, that is integration of ur by uv dash minus v dash into dx. Here also by using the values are u comma r comma uv dash and v dash with the help of the integration procedure. Here also you obtain that b is equal to the value of x by 2 is a value. Therefore, the particular integration is nothing but au plus bv with the help of that cos 2x into log modulus of cos 2x by 4 plus sin 2x into that is x by 2. Now we need to write in the form of the general solution with the help of the addition of the complementary function plus particular integration. Therefore, finally we obtain that is a c1 into cos 2x plus c2 into sin 2x plus the log modulus of cos 2x by 4 into cos 2x plus x by 2 into that is a sin 2x is a final solution. Now we need to discuss using the method of variation of parameter to solve the initial value problem. Here the dependent variable is a x, y, the independent variable is a t because of which is involving in terms of t, and moreover in this problem given that in addition of this problem that is a initial value conditions. That means after a simplification of that method of variation of parameter by using this here the initial value condition, we need to eliminate c1 comma c2. That means we need to find out c1 comma c2. Therefore first we need to find out that is a complementary function. As we know that according to the complementary function we need to find out the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is nothing but that is you obtain that d is equal to m, that is d square plus 1 is equal to 0. You obtain that m is equal to that is a plus or minus I only. With the help of that 0 plus or minus I into that is 1, here that complex root it is clearly. Therefore you need to assume that is a complementary function is nothing but y of t. Why? Because that independent variable is a t in terms of it is given. Therefore c1 cos t plus c2 sin t is a value. Now we need to find out what is the Wronskian value with respect to t, that is uv dash minus v dash, that is u is equal to cos t and v is equal to if it is a sin t. Therefore u dash is equal to minus sin t, and again the v dash is also cos t. Therefore the Wronskian value it is equal to clearly with the help of the 2 by 2 determinant the value is equal to 1 only. Therefore according to we need to find out what is the u1 and u2, that is the meaning of a comma b. Therefore with the help of the d is equal, that is a minus integration of vr by uv dash minus v dash is nothing but the Wronskian values. Therefore the final solution u1 is equal to 1 by t into cos square t, and similarly u2 is also by using the integration of ur by that is a Wronskian value into dt. With the help of that also you obtain that clearly the value is equal to ud is equal to t by t into that is a plus sin 2t by 4 is the value. Whereas u1 is equal to 1 by t into cos square t and v is equal to that ud is equal to that is t by t into plus sin 2t by 2 4 is the value. Now we need to consider what is the particular integration with the help of the au plus bv like that. Therefore otherwise u1 by 1 plus u2 by 2. Therefore by using all these values, and again here the y particular integration is nothing but 1 by t into cos t plus t by 2 into that is a sin t is clearly we obtain. Now we need to assume what is a general solution. Therefore with the help of the c1u plus c2v plus u1 y1 plus u2 y2, with the help of all this value that is a complementary function as well as the particular integration, together the equation is reduced to like c1 into cos t plus c2 into sin t plus that is a t by 2 into that is a sin t is a value. Now we need to find out by using the initial values what the values are c1 and c2. Therefore according to all the things here, when we are going to observing here, it is a first one, it is a c1 cos t and again 1 by 2 cos t, that you need to consider c1 bar that is a cos t. Because of that cos t is you need to take out common. Why? Because in the second part is also cos t, which is a coefficient is 1 by 2, that c1 is also constant. Therefore you assume that that is a c1 bar. By using that one and initial conditions are also you need to find out what is a c1 and c2. with the help of that y of 0 is equal to 0 and y2 of 0 is also the value of 0. Because of here the initial values are given, y1 of 0 is equal to that is a 0 and again y2 of 0 is equal to 0 value. That is nothing but you need to assume that is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 and y dash is also 0. By using all these initial values condition, it is clearly you obtain that there is a c1 is equal to 0 and c2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the complete solution of this problem, that is the initial value problem, it is y of t is equal to that is a t by t into cos t is a value. Now the conclusion of this variation of parameter, whenever the given differential equation is a not standard form, we need to reduce it to standard form, that is in the form of there is a d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y is equal to that is r. We need to find out what is the complementary function, that you assume that c1u plus c2v and take that yp, that is au plus bv, where provided a is equal to the negative of vr by uv dash minus v dash into dx, and also that b is equal to that is integration of ur by uv dash minus v dash into dx, and here w is that is uv dash minus v dash is also called as in times. Sometimes it is a Wronskian value, the denominator value, that is a w is equal to the 2 by 2 uv dash minus v dash. And after getting all those values here a comma b and with the help of the u and v, then the general solution of this given differential equation, you assume that y is equal to the complementary function plus particular integration. This is a clear information regarding the method of variation of parameter. Sometimes it is possible more than the higher order method is also, higher order differential equation is also it is applicable. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.